Closing wheel inspection and alignment. In this video, we are going to discuss how to properly inspect and align closing wheels. Closing wheels should be inspected prior to planting to ensure proper seed trench closing and firming in the field. Begin by inspecting the wheels. Check that the rubber around the outside is smooth and seated on the plastic wheel halves properly. Make sure that they are still tight and unable to spin around the wheel halves. Next, make sure the wheel spins freely. Try to tilt the wheel side to side, making sure that there is no play in the bearing. After inspecting both wheels, check the spacing between them. The closing wheels should be spaced about 1.5 to 2 inches apart at the closest point. This varies from planter to planter, as well as with different style wheels, so check your owner's manual for proper spacing. Once the closing wheels are spaced correctly, check to make sure they are aligned directly behind the disc openers. Prior to adjusting the closing wheel arm, inspect and check the pivot point of the arm. If the closing wheel arm can be wiggled side to side, the bushings or arms may need to be replaced. Check to see if the closing wheels are centered directly over the seed trench. This can be done visually while the row units are up in the air, or if you have a concrete pad, lower the planter down to where the row units are just touching the ground. Pull the planter ahead slowly about 3 feet. The disc openers will lightly scratch the concrete and provide a line. If they are not centered, you need to align the closing wheels over that line. For planters that have eccentric bushings, adjustments can be made by turning the bushings. For planters without eccentric bushings, the arm stop is slotted. Loosen the hardware and align the arm. Then be sure to retighten the hardware. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or would like to place an order, please visit www.shoupparts.com or call and talk to one of our highly trained sales staff at 1-800-627-6137. Shoup Manufacturing, keeping farms running since 1977.